how can you become a travel agent? And the good news about it, guys, you can become a travel agent as easy as 1, 2, 3. Okay. One of my best recommendations is to start with a host travel agency. And the reason being is you don't want to spend time, effort, and money or waste it on trying to do all this on your own, get overwhelmed, get frustrated, and don't know where to start. Okay. With a host travel agency, everything gets step by step laid out for you, and all the legwork has been done for you. Okay. You can come in and join with a host travel agency and become certified right away. Meaning, as soon as you enroll, you have the ability to book, sell, and earn travel commissions right away. Book your clients, friends, and family anyway. So let's be real. A lot of people are already doing this anyway. A lot of people are booking cruises and trips for their family and friends anyway, but they're not getting paid for it. Why? Because they're not registered as a travel agent. And the best way you can get started and get registered as a travel agency is to join a host travel agency, okay? And you immediately become certified and go through the ongoing training to further your travel education, okay? It will educate you upon the travel industry, how to book with certain vendors, how to finish up your website. Even though once you get started, your website automatically becomes set up. All you do is personalize it, put your own spin on it, add your little bio or whatever, and you're good to go. So you can waste time doing this on your own. However, I recommend getting started with a host travel agency and partnering with one and start your own travel agency from home, because it's quick, easy, fast, and the training is step by step, and you don't have to worry about run all over the place trying to put the pieces of the puzzle together. Okay, the pieces of the puzzle are already together in your back office. All you gotta do is follow step-by-step instructions and follow the training provided at your fingertips. Okay, guys, so if this is something that you're looking to do and you're really serious about becoming a travel agent, guys, watch a presentation that I want to share with you. Okay, if you click the link below this video, there's a presentation on the other side that will educate you on the host agency that I'm affiliated with, and will point you in the right direction, and you will see why it's a good benefit for those new to the travel industry. Because even if you have very little knowledge, very little experience, you too can do this. You too can really make money booking travel. So if you're really serious about getting plugged in with the right vendors, get the right rates, and how to build your client list, guys, follow the instructions and follow the step-by-step training. Follow the resources, the tools provided at your fingertips. Okay? So that's my time. I just want to take a couple of minutes and share this amazing opportunity with you all. So if you want to learn how you can become a travel agent and do this all from the comfort of your own home, click the link below, watch this presentation, and I will see you on the other side. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, and me and you, Mika, will gladly answer your questions. All right? I will see you guys on the next video. Click that link below, and bye-bye.